Good morning. In the previous lecture, we discussed how to construct algorithm and flowchart for sum of finite series, and we considered two different series. Half of this article is left. We shall complete this half article in this lecture. And what we have to do in this half article? In this half article, we have to construct the algorithm and flowchart for product of a finite series. So let us try to construct an algorithm and a flowchart for product of a finite series. So whenever we are writing algorithm and flowchart for product of a series, we need a series. So let us consider a series. For simplicity, let the series be this. The finite series is product of integrals 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 up to n, where n is the finite number, and therefore this will be a finite series. So this is what? Product of a finite series. Let us try to first write algorithm for this series. What is the first step? As you know, step number 1, start. Step number 2. This is the highest value in the series, in the finite series. So you have to declare this. You have to input this. So read or input this here. Read n. Okay, then we have to declare the product. After declaring the product, you have to declare the count. Actually, you have to declare the product and count simultaneously. Declare the count. This count is needed because we have to take product from 1 to n. So we need a count. And to take this product, we need a variable. So we have to declare the variable for the product. That is, declare product, declare count. And then go for the product as product is equal to product into count. Product is equal to product into count. New product is equal to old product into count, because we want the product. Then compare whether count is equal to n. see whether count is equal to n. If answer is yes, go for printing the result because the product we wanted is completed. If answer is no, then increment count. If answer is yes, print product. And stop. This is the simple algorithm for product of this finite series. Now, let us see how will be flowchart for this. So simple. Start within the oval. Okay. Read our input n. After that, declare the product and the count. First number is 1. So let me declare the product as 1. Count. Or for the count you may write this I. I is equal to 1. Then go for the product. Product is equal to product into the count I. Okay. Then let me put a connector here and let me come here. Then we have to see the count, whether I is equal to n. I have to come somewhat lower. Now the answer may be yes. Let us take no here, yes here. If the answer is no, then I is equal to I plus 1. And send this to the product. If answer is yes, let me use yes here. The task is completed. Print the product. And what will be final? Stop. So this is so simple. Start, read n. Let us suppose that you have taken this n as 15. You have inputted n as 15. Product 1, count 1. 1 into 1, 1. What is our series? Up to 15 only. Okay, then it is connected here. Whether I is equal to n given is 15. What is I1? No. Answer is no. Increment I by 1. Make I is equal to I plus 1. Send to the product. 1 into 2. Then again connector. Go here. This is continued till this I becomes 15. The product is completed up to 15. Here, when I becomes 15, instead of equal to, let me greater than. Because for equal to, I have to go for the product. If yes, I have to put equal to. If I is equal to n, yes, it is taken already here. Our task is completed. Print the product. Finally, stop it. So this is the simplest idea of writing the algorithm and flowchart for product of a finite series. Let me consider one more series. 1 into 3 into 5 into 7 into dash dash into 1. Now you have a finite series such that it has only odd integers. It has only odd integers. And you are asked to find product of these odd integers up to n. You are required to write the algorithm and the flowchart for odd integers only from 1 to n. There will be no change in the algorithm. Algorithm will be exactly same. Algorithm we have written for this will be same for this one. There is no change in the algorithm. You have to make change in the flowchart. Let us see what change you have to make in the flowchart. Start, okay, read n. Now in this case, read by the program or inputted by the user, maybe 15, 17, 19, 21, any odd integer. Okay. Product defined I is equal to 1. First figure is 1. First integer is 1. So product will be 1, I be 1. So product is equal to product into I. 1 into 1, that will be equal to 1. First product we need 1. Right? Then connector, whether I is equal to n. No. Increment I. Now we have to increment this I such that next integer will be 3. What is the old value of I? 1. When it will become 3, if I put here I is equal to I plus 2. If I put here I is equal to I plus 2, it will be 1 plus 2, 3. It will become automatically 3. Come here. Old product 1. 1 into 3, 1 into 3. Okay. Then connector. Connected here. I is equated with n. And I is 3. Less than n. It is again sent to this. What is old value of I? 3. 2 added. It will become 5. It is continued till this I becomes this odd value of n. The whole process will be continued till this I becomes value equal to n. As soon as it has become n, the product is completed. When the control is sent here, instead of no, the answer will be yes. Print the product and stop. This is the algorithm. Algorithm is same. This is the flowchart for product of this finite series. I want you to do one algorithm and a flowchart for this series. The series I am giving to you is this 2 into 4 into 6 into 8 dash dash into 9. I am giving you the series 2 into 4 into 6 into 8 dash dash up to n. N is again finite even integer, because we have to write the algorithm and flowchart for product of finite series. Finite series, the series which has a finite number of terms. Now, how is this series? It is product of only even numbers. How is this series? This is product of positive integers. Of course, finite number of positive integers. How is this series? It is product of only odd integers. This is what? Product of even integers. Algorithm will be same. Algorithm which we have written for this series will be same for this series, will be same for this series. The part of algorithm is completed. And what is assignment for you? You have to write flowchart for this series. You can use most of this part of the flowchart. You have to make a change somewhere. You have to recognize where you needed to make the change, so that this flowchart is used to make the product of only even integers from 2 to n. This is assignment for you. Very simple. If you understood the algorithm and product for this series and for this series, you can do for this series. I am sure it's very easy and you can do it. Do it and show me. And what left is only one article from this unit is left. We shall discuss the last article. I think it is algorithm and flowchart for sine series. We shall do it in the next lecture. Till then, thank you.